What's up, fifth graders? All right, here we go. I'm going to make this quick. Couple announcements. I gave a bunch of zeros today on last night's workbook. You need to show your work if I say show your work. Otherwise, I'm just going to give you a zero. You can redo it. I'm not marking things late yet, but make sure you follow directions. And if you don't understand, see me at 3 o'clock after school one day. So make sure you're meeting your expectations. You don't want to be what, like John Wooden said, great coach. If you can't do it right the first time, when are you going to do it over? You don't have time for that, I'm guessing. So do it right the first time, then we won't have a problem, and you'll do well. Your parents will be happy with you. All right, and then photos. Zoom in. I'm seeing this is not a good photo. Like, this is not good. Right there. All right, here we go. All right, take notes on this video. We're going to talk about something very basic that I hope is just a review for you, but it's something that you're really going to need to do, and that is converting mixed fractions to improper and vice versa. All right, so make sure you take good, clean notes, put a title on it, and write down anything that I write down and draw the drawings that I have. Press pause if I'm going too fast. Why do you need to know this? You're going to need it for fifth grade, but middle school, when you're multiplying and dividing fractions, you're going to need to know how to do this. So hopefully we can do it. So convert 3 1/4 to an improper fraction. So you'll see in my drawing, I have 3 holes, and then I have 1/4 right here. I cut them all into quarters. You'll notice I have 4 pieces in the first one. 4, that's 12 pieces, plus 1 more. So that's 12 plus 1. That is 13 1/4 pieces. So that is 13/4, which is the same thing as 1/4 plus 1/4, 13 times. All right. You may notice that that is the same thing as 3 times 4. Here's my 3 times 4, which is 12. And then we add the 1 more piece, which is right here. And that's 12 plus 1, we get 13, right over there. 13/4. Next one, we have 12 divided by 5. 12/5 means 12 divided by 5. So I know that 5 goes into 12 2 times with a remainder of 2. Here's my picture. I have my 2 holes. That is 10 pieces. That is 10/5. And then here I have 2/5. So we got to add them together. And you get 12/5. Or I get 1/5 12 times. Oh, and I didn't change it. So we're going the other way. My fault. Go backwards here. I have 2 holes. Forgot which way we were going. And then what's left is 2/5. We already knew we had 12/5. My fault. Once again, come back to this. 2 times 5 is 10. That's my 10 right here. And you add the remainder, which is 2, which is 12. Let's see if you can do it. I have 15/4 here. You might want to pause this. See if you can turn that into a mixed fraction. And then on the bottom right, 4 1/5. See if you can turn that into an improper fraction. Pause it and see if you're right. Okay, here we go. 15/4 means 15 divided by 4, which I know is 3 with a remainder. So here's my 3 holes. Try to circle them. And then here, I have 3 out of 4 shaded, so it's 3 3/4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. There's my 3 3/4. Over here, 4 1/5. So if each of these are fifths, I'm going to multiply. What is 5 times 4 is 20 pieces here. Then I have 1 piece here. So 20 plus 1 is 21 1/5. That's a great way to say it. 21 1/5. I hope that made sense, and I hope you're ready to do that tomorrow. If this is too easy for you, I will have some challenges ready for you tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.